Hello everyone, Sanbona. The leader of the EFF, Mbuyseni Ndlozi, was seen partying in a club, having a really good time. Shame. Unfortunately, someone took a video while the guy was having fun. Somehow the video got leaked. Musa Kaula, the entertainment blogger, took it to his timeline and posted the video. He captioned, "Mbuyseni Ndlozi spotted hoeing himself at both nightclub. Mbuyseni Ndlozi rolled with more than 10 girls and they had a valve-rich crystal champagne, Hennessy and much more." Other people were in disbelief that Mbuyseni would cheat on his girlfriend Mabato. One trip said, "Mabato's reputation, what a disappointment," from Ndlozi. Do you see Mbuyseni Ndlozi whoring himself, or the guy is just having fun, or he's not cheating on his girlfriend? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.